Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Workfront proofing for review workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Workfront proofing for review workflows, log into your Workfront account. Navigate to the proofing section from the main dashboard. Select Settings in the top right corner of the proofing interface. In the Settings menu, locate the Workflow tab. Click on Add New Workflow to create a new review workflow. Enter a name for your workflow that reflects its purpose. Set the workflow type to review for this specific configuration. Choose the appropriate proofing templates that will be used in this workflow. Define the review stages necessary for your process. For each stage, specify the reviewers who will be involved. You can assign roles to each reviewer, such as approver or reviewer, based on their responsibilities. Consider allowing comments and annotations for more interactive feedback. Adjust the due dates for each review stage to keep the process on track. Set up notifications for reviewers to alert them when their input is needed. Ensure that the workflow is saved properly after all adjustments. Once saved, you may want to test the workflow with a sample asset to ensure functionality. Monitor the review process for any feedback and make adjustments as necessary. After confirming the workflow runs smoothly, it can be deployed for wider use. Review feedback periodically to improve the workflow as needed. This setup will streamline your review process within Workfront proofing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.